yourself, guys. Heading out now to do a collab. It's now 3:56 p.m. in the evening. I'm gonna meet up with Jessica Cargill, famous YouTuber Jessica Cargill from Portland side, from Kingston side. She's actually on her way to Kingston, and she gave me a link to link up with her. So I'm heading out now down the road, guys. I'm trying to make good timing getting up here. The weather's not so great, as you guys can see in the last video that I did. The weather is pretty bad. It's windy. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna head up the line. I'm gonna attempt to pick something up. I don't know if guaranteed that we're gonna grab something, but let's see what we can pick up, guys. Stay tuned for it. Jamaican Shore Fishing, we are out here. We're up here. Damn, the water look rough up here. That's not good at all. But we're gonna try it. It said today was an excellent day in fishing, so let's see what's up. I'm gonna head down to the other side, meet up with Jessica real quick. I'm like 5 minutes out from her. Meeting up with her down on the Fisherman Beach up here by Lilliput, St. James. Hopefully she didn't move because my phone's not working on Wi-Fi up here. So let's see what's up. Jessica Cargill in the building, people.
Finally,
the Jamaican Shore Fishing, we finally got a link up. So this is what's up, guys. We're about to touch the water and get some fishing on. And right now the wind, I like this wind. Wind is good. Permit jack, flat jack is running right now. So we're gonna run up to the flat jack spot. I'm gonna kill some flat jack today, guys. So stay tuned. Jamaican Shore Fishing, we are out here. We're heading to a different spot because I didn't really like the way the wind was blowing down that spot. But the wind up here, where we're going, is gonna be good. There's gonna be some flat jacks up that side. We're gonna see if we're gonna pick up a few on the bait that we have. Let's see what's up, guys. Let's see what we got in stored. I don't know if we're gonna pick anything up yet, but let's see what's up. Alright? Jessica's in the water, guys. Jessica's getting sea urchin. Jessica, you have to go out, look a bit past that first set of wave. Go out, look a bit more, and you'll see more. Just go out more. She dives, guys, so I'm not really worried about her because she dives. Jessica dives in deep, deep sea water. You have to wait till the wave pass. When the wave pass you, then you look and then spot them and just look and just lock in. Careful. Yeah, guys, so Jessica's hunting sea urchins. She's picking up bait. You see them? It's tough, you know, easy, you know. I see one more right there, so I look wild, but now wait till the wait. Aye. See me now try to get wet. Aye. Hey Jessica, I'm now try to get wet with you right now, you know. You can't take off my shoes right now. As me lift up the rock stone, so I find one. Just wait till the wave move, man. Wait till the wave move, and then you lift up. Yeah. So once the wave clear, wait till it goes back out, and then you have a clear view now, and just take up. Take him out. See Jessica, look. Hey, that one is perfect now. Holding a look here. It's his hole. It's his hole. Just for him. Yeah, guys, so we hunting sea urchins, sea eggs. These things up here. Just want to grab a few so we can set these lines and get out here, guys. So I'm not trying to get wet, so just in case you don't want to get in catching these baits, they're on the rocks that are underneath water. You can just lift up the rocks and you might find one. They're not going to be plenty like out there, but you will find one or two here and there. I really use them there. And I tell you, say, when you open up the permit jack belly, all you see a pure sea urchin in them stomach. That's how I know, so they like it, you know. Hey, look at this. Look at these messy fishermen. Oh, I got somebody's rig, look. I got weights, hooks, everything. How much you have?
The ocean takes and the ocean gives.
Yes, yes, it takes and it gives a lot. Alright, come on Jessica, we have a couple of them already. Once we set, we have two up there, so you have a couple left. So if we need more, we'll get more. But we have a lot of bait. We want to set these lines before 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock is the buy time. Alright, so we out with Jessica Cargill, guys. We out on the water, filming another video today, guys. We're doing it, trying to pick up something. Jessica went to go get a stove because she's gonna do a cook up right here. The wind is kicking up. I don't know if we're grabbing anything today or anything's gonna, you know what I'm saying? So just stay tuned, guys. We out here and doing our thing and go so do so. You understand? So big up on yourself. Hey guys, so we're there. So Jessica make up some soup and I cook up on a new, we call it Dolly House teapot. Yep, Dolly House.
That sounds about right.
Yeah, Dolly House teapot, people, and the gas stove. Look on the gas, people. And we here cooking, and Jessica make up some food, and she's about to make me some coffee. So when we go so now, look while people are looking at Jessica here, I see the package of coffee. I'm like, oh,
Yeah.
she got my brand.
Guys, I live in here, so don't
Listen to me,
watch this.
Jessica is an adventurous, people. They are no man. You'll find her in some place in Jamaica, dive after some deep waters, catching some big fish, shooting fish, spear gunning and all kinds of stuff, people. So check her out, guys. Go over to our channel, please like, share, subscribe, guys, and watch the ads, guys. Here, guys, we're getting the coffee in. Only Jessica bring coffee to fishing. Only Jessica do that. Now I tell you, I myself have never done that yet, and Jessica brings coffee to fishing. Yeah, I've done it camping, but not fishing. Jessica brings coffee to fishing, people.
Look here.
Yo, trust me, people will appreciate it because I'm about to grab a cup of that and we're chilling. Yo,
I just like being comfy.
That's
and I
right.
know this sport here, you have to just have a lot of patience and sit down. So while me sit down, I want a little, you know?
Yeah. I'll wait up
Yeah.
on this. Something
Alright.
deep grab on the line, guys. So
Alright.
stay tuned, guys.
Stay tuned.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, so me and Jessica over here, so we have clean up fish. Jessica make coffee, as you see here. And then we're cleaning up some lionfish, and we're cooking some shrimp. And what we are cook, Jessica? Swims. We are cook shrimps. You see it, guys? So here we go, guys. We have a little stove here, and then we have some lionfish that we're cleaning up right here, right now. So stay tuned, guys. We don't want to kill out the battery them because you don't know. There's up an adventure. We have to run them set up one thing, doing some fishing and stuff. So me and Jessica, guys, we outside. So stay tuned, guys. Doing it just like that. Yeah, guys. So there's a clean up them lionfish here, guys. One spot at Freeport. They enough. And big. And Miguel's. Where? Fair one. guys. Look.
I'm afraid of it. Why?
Catch
Why
and
some
cook.
kind of steep?
Man, Jessica cooking. Just see it.
This is vibes. Yeah.
Yep.
With the view.
Mad move, guys. So mash up the thing right now, guys. With them on it. Now I just go so do so. Still waiting on a bite, guys, and not yet. But I'm gonna change those baits on the big rods in a second. Alright, man, dip on the fishing, guys. Outside, guys. Just like that. Yeah, guys.
You have some jack bait.
Alright, guys, big up on yourself. We're here. Me and Jessica's here. It came to an end of this awesome video and awesome time we spent today just chilling and trying to get some fish. Unfortunately, we didn't catch something, but Jessica did some awesome cook-up, made some awesome coffee, had some awesome conversation and great time, guys. And trust me, I want you guys to go over to Jessica's channel and check her out, and she'll tell you what's up.
Yes, so you can find me. My channel name is Jessica Cargill. So you can type that in and then you'll find my channel. It's all about fishing, camping and the outdoors. So if you're into that, that is your channel. And we need a part 2, right?
Yes, we are doing a part 2 of this,
Yes,
guys.
yes,
because
yes.
today we didn't catch any fish. The fish never have vibes with
we
today.
need to catch something.
But we gotta look for them still, but they was hard to find today, I'll tell you that much. But don't worry, we just have a little weather.
I went all the way to get those sea eggs.
Sea eggs and get wet up in the water and
Yeah.
wave a splasher and all kind of thing. But yo, stay tuned, guys. We're definitely gonna do a part 2 of this, and we're definitely gonna link up with Jessica and do some diving, shooting some fish and thing. And she shot some awesome lionfish today, as you see in the video that we was cleaning up and stuff. So you know, so she not going with things today. So at least she not go home empty-handed. She going with a whole heap of fish where she catch.
Yeah, man.
That's what's up. All right, guys. So stay tuned.
That's a wrap. Bye.
Outside.
Yo.